In this video, we're going to learn about if-else condition in JavaScript. So just create a new file called if-else. Okay, just follow me to write this code and then I will explain it later. Okay, we will try to execute this code. Just open the file in the browser. Our code will execute this line because in this variable we assign 70. In this core variable we assign 70. So this value doesn't meet our first requirement because the score should be more than 90. In this case, our score is 70. So it will check for another condition because it's else if, so it has another condition. This another condition is when the score is more than 70 and our score is 70. So it doesn't meet this requirement. So it will go to the next. If, because it is else, it doesn't have any requirement. So it will just print this line. If we change this score to 100, it will execute this line. If-else conditional statements is used to control the program flow, just similar to other programming language. Okay, it's very easy. Let's go to the next video.